Welcome back. Now, we've been speaking about a resurgence in coronavirus cases around the world, and the number of infections in Belgium has surged over the past month. About half of all new cases are in Antwerp. A curfew has been imposed on the port city and social distancing rules are now in place. Maryam Nemazee has more.
Calm on the streets of one of the biggest port cities in Europe, with people enjoying shops and restaurants. But Antwerp is facing a crisis. It's reported the highest number of new Covid-19 cases in Belgium. Authorities have imposed a lockdown. Wearing a mask in public is now compulsory, and limits have been put on the number of people who can meet up.
I'm really disappointed when I see people in the streets not wearing their mask. They ask it, and you see it, even a lot of people of ages don't do that, so I don't understand it.
For the first time since World War II, a nighttime curfew has been enforced to reduce crowd numbers. Nearly 2 million people have to stay indoors from 11:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. Bar owners say it may affect their businesses for the long term.
Sociale lockdown and an economische lockdown.
Entrepreneurs have the opportunity to continue working, so it's more of a social lockdown than an economic one. But the tightened measures in Antwerp will make it difficult for us to make profit.
Daily infections in Belgium have risen by 77% over the past week, and that's putting many people on edge.
Personally, I understand the measures. It's sad that they weren't enforced earlier or better, because I could see firsthand that they couldn't keep their behaviour in line. People like to do as they please.
Antwerp's governor blames the surge on relaxed rules and people engaging more in leisure activities. She urges people to avoid coming to the city.
Alsjeblieft, verlaat uw stad niet.
Please don't leave town to party somewhere else or the other way around. We advise people against coming to the Antwerp area. It's in the interest of your own health and the health of all those who are dear to you.
But despite calls to limit travel, many people are going to other parts of the country, like the seaside town of Ostend, to enjoy what they can of the summer holidays. More than 66,000 people have been infected in Belgium, and nearly 10,000 have died. The rise in new cases is across all age groups. While the government says it wants to avoid a full lockdown in Antwerp, many experts say imposing tougher measures faster may be the only way to counter the outbreak. Maryam Nemazee, Al Jazeera.